Hi there. Today this video is going to be showing us the new Windows 8 consumer preview that was released in the last week. This is what it looks like when Windows is released in less than a year. We're going to be seeing a new, entirely redesigned interface for Windows from what you're used to. What we're looking at here is the start screen in Windows 8 consumer preview. I've signed in. It's integrated with your uh, with your email address. So if you have a Hotmail, it'll integrate your email and your pictures and things like that. What we're seeing here are live tiles, and this is the Metro style interface, is what Microsoft is calling it. It's going to be touch-based user interface (UI), and you're going to be able to just kind of touch one of these tiles and open up an application. For what they launch with right now in the consumer preview are just kind of uh, testing it out, testing the waters. You have photos and calendar. You can find your people within your contacts. You have a store as well. So if you want to go in and download some applications or some live tiles, you can do that as well. There are also Xbox Live game application with integration with your Xbox, and it saves information for games that you might play on your computer or if you're away from your Xbox. That's the idea, at least. There's also Maps integration, and I'll just show you what this looks like. We'll just open up the app, and the Metro style is, wall to wall from one side of the screen to the other of integration. So this is what it looks like here, and it's all very touch based, and you just kind of, I'm using a mouse now, but you can zoom in just like any other map. Let's zoom into New York City. You can also show traffic, so we know there's always traffic in New York. Pretty cool. It might look really great on a tablet. To get back, you kind of hover over or touch. If you had a finger, you would touch the top left corner, and we would just go back to start. You can also hit the desktop key. Now, because this is a touch-based interface, we also are going to be installing this on desktop computers in the workplace. So we didn't want to lose that old Windows style look. So we can either click on the desktop tile, or we can hit the Windows key. I'll click on the tile. And what we see here is the Windows 7 interface that we're used to, or something similar to the Windows Vista interface. We can also get back to our old computer and have our own file system, and access DVD drives and floppy drives. Not sure if anybody actually even uses that anymore, but our files are still there. So you can also hover over the start screen and right click and get all of your programs and features that you're used to. Power, control panel, device manager, command prompt. Those are all things that have might or might not have been updated in this version of Windows 8. So they are still working on it. It's not finished, and it's going to continuously, they're going to update it and try to add new features up until the release. So these live tiles, you get live weather or photos or information. If you had email, it would show you that as well. There's also Internet Explorer, and I'll show you those in other videos. But for now, I just want to kind of scroll through and show you how that kind of looks from here. There's Evernote integration. There's news. If we go into the MSNBC app, we'll probably get a nice Metro style interface for this. Looks like MSNBC is taking a little while to start up. Don't want to waste your time, so I'm gonna. Oh, here it comes. Top headlines. It says it's loading for the first time. These are all going to be different apps. You're going to see them from all your favorite places, and they're going to be beautifully styled and beautifully designed for this Metro style device. So that's pretty much it for now. Um, we'll give you more options in the future. I'll kind of show you some more in-depth previews of this, but this is what it looks like. Windows 8 Consumer Preview. You can download it today for free at Microsoft website.